Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by verifying your system. Make sure your OS and GPU drivers are up to date so the live wallpaper can run smoothly. Next, pick a stable app like Wallpaper Engine or Lively. These support multi-monitor setups. Install the chosen software and follow on-screen prompts, allow permissions, and restart if requested. Once done, launch the app and grant access to audio or performance overlays, if needed, so the wallpaper has full control of rendering across both screens. You now configure how the wallpaper uses both displays. Open the app's display settings and detect your monitors so the software knows their arrangement. Choose whether to span one animated scene across both screens, run separate wallpapers per monitor, or duplicate the same file. Then set resolution matching each monitor, cap FPS to conserve resources, and pick performance presets if available so you balance visuals and GPU load. Make sure monitor order and orientation match your OS display settings before applying. Finish by applying changes and testing. Move windows across both monitors to confirm the wallpaper spans or stays per monitor as intended. Enable the app's startup option so your wallpaper loads each boot and use system tray controls for quick adjustments. If you experience stuttering, black screens, or wrong scaling, lower the wallpaper FPS, switch performance mode, update GPU drivers, or reboot. These steps resolve most issues. If problems persist, try a different wallpaper file or reset the app's display configuration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.